How to deposit cheque on Scotiabank. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. Start by moving into your application Scotiabank. You need to enter your login credential, as in, enter your username or the card number first. Let me enter my username. Once you have entered, click on Continue at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then enter the password of your account. Once entered, click on Continue at the bottom right corner. It will land you on the page of Scotiabank. At the bottom, tons of different menus will be available to you. You need to head over to Move Money and then click on Deposit a Cheque. You can see the option of Deposit to. You have to select your specific account where you want to deposit a cheque. Once you have selected the account, you need to enter all the detailed information and then click on Deposit. Once done, you will have to capture the image of your cheque. Capture the front of the cheque and also back of the cheque. Once you've uploaded the image, you need to slide to deposit. Once done, your cheque will be deposited in your account and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.